Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable floating video in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, navigate to youtube.com by typing it into the address bar at the top of your screen. This will take you to YouTube's homepage where you can browse through all the available content. The floating video feature works specifically with YouTube videos in Brave, making it easy to multitask while watching your favorite content. Now browse through YouTube and click on the video you want to watch in floating mode. It could be a tutorial, a music video, or anything else you're interested in. Just click on the thumbnail to open it and let the video start playing. Once the video is playing, you're ready to enable the floating feature. Next, right-click directly on the video itself. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and select Mini Player. This is the option that activates the floating video mode in Brave. Clicking on Mini Player tells the browser to detach the video from the main page and create a smaller movable window for it. Once you click Mini Player, the video will automatically appear in the bottom right corner of your browser window. This floating window stays on top of other content, allowing you to continue browsing YouTube or navigate to different websites while still watching your video. The Mini Player is designed to be unobtrusive yet visible enough to keep you engaged with the content. If you want to adjust the size of the floating video, you can expand it by dragging the corner of the Mini Player window. Simply hover your cursor over any corner of the video until you see the resize cursor appear. Then click and drag to make the video larger or smaller according to your preference. This gives you control over how much screen space the floating video takes up while you're working on other tasks. And that's it. You've successfully enabled floating video in Brave browser, allowing you to watch YouTube content while browsing other pages or working on different tasks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.